Welcome. Welcome to this edition of Real Talk with Sam Holtzman. I'm Sam Holtzman, and the topic for today's briefing is Agile, in quotes, enterprise architecture or Agile business architecture. What is it? And so what we're going to be discussing in this briefing is a couple of adjectives have been added with some people's approach to either enterprise architecture or business architecture. And so anytime I see these things, I say, spelled H-M-M-M-M-M, I wonder what that means. We had enterprise architecture, frankly, ill-defined, business architecture, frankly, ill-defined, and now we add an adjective to that. So what does that mean? What does that mean? I don't know if you've thought about this, but we do. So we have an adjective. I went up to look it up. What does Agile mean? So here's what the word Agile means. Able to move quickly and easily. Similar to the word nimble, limber, or acrobatic. Able to move quickly and easily. And when you add an adjective to something, and it wasn't there before, then here's what we asked. Because is it a marketing term? Is it hype? Or is it something real? So what we say to ourselves when we see this is, well, what has changed? Yesterday it was called enterprise architecture. Yesterday it was called business architecture. Today it's called Agile enterprise architecture or Agile business architecture. So we go back to our dictionary and now look for antonyms for that adjective, because that gives us an understanding of what that means. And antonyms for the word Agile are clumsy, stiff, slow, and dull. Not really complimentary. So if you see these terms out there, what you need to ask to the people that have added this adjective is, what has changed? What has changed? Something must have changed, or else it's marketing or marketing hype or just hype. So approach these people and say, well, yesterday your methodology was clumsy, stiff, slow, and dull. Today it's quickly and easily, nimble and limber. What has changed? And if you get a blank stare, make sure that you take your wallet and put your hand over your wallet, because you know it's going to cost you money. We are not calling what we do Agile enterprise architecture or Agile business architecture. What we do say is that our approach to enterprise architecture or business architecture is the gateway to enterprise and business agility. A really great enterprise architecture or really great business architecture will bring agility to the business, which is very different than calling the methodology Agile this or Agile that. So be careful. One of the great things about the internet is anybody can write anything about anything. And one of the problems with the internet is anybody can write anything about anything. And I know that phrase Agile is now so popular that it's lost its meaning. We'll just add it to anything that's out there. Ladies and gentlemen, just be careful. As the phrase goes, caveat emptor. Thank you for listening. Until next time, stay healthy, stay well. And how about doing real enterprise architecture or real business architecture? And if you want to know what the word real means in our terms, go to our website, please. Thanks again for listening.